how to set up an SRA2 document in Adobe InDesign. So let's start by going to File, New or Command N on the keyboard. We use millimeters to set this document up, so make sure you've got that selected from the drop down menu. And the width of the document, if we are going to do it portrait, would be 450 and the height would be 640. You can always change the orientation anyway if you wish. Facing pages, going to switch that off because it's not a brochure that we're designing. Single page is good. Just one column is okay as well. Margins, going to leave it as they are, but if you want to change them up to, let's say, 20 or anything that you want custom wise, just add that in there. Because I'm not having full coverage to the edge of the document, I'm going to leave my bleed as 0. Same with slug, because slug is for brochures. So once you've got those in there, click create. And there you have your SRA2 document all set up in Adobe InDesign. Thanks for watching the tutorial, guys. Leave me a comment if you wish. Consider subscribing, and why not check out one of the videos that are on screen now.